Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can configure phone call access on Windows 11. So if you want to configure the permission of phone calls, which app that can make phone calls on your systems, you can try to click on Start and go to the settings. You can try to search privacy and security and search for application permission. Under this option, you can try to search phone calls. Click it. Here, the phone call access will turn off by default, turn on by default. Anyone using this device can choose if their apps can make phone calls when this is on. So here you can choose which apps can make a phone calls. Maybe you install something or some apps that can make a call in our Windows 11 system. So you can turn this on. So this is a recent activity. Maybe there is a review phone call request from the last 7 days. The most recent access data is also captured in another section on this page. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.